Welcome on my channel. In this video we will make a ringtone for iPhone, and this method will work only on iPhone. I have iPhone screen recorded and transferred to my MacBook so I can explain how I made, and you can make easier just with one app. Now let's start. First of all, on your iPhone you open App Store and download one of the app called GarageBand. That's app totally free. You can just download and click on open. I have a downloader already. I'm gonna click on open and it look like this. We don't need it right now. The second thing we need, audio file or MP3 file. We are going to make a ringtone. There's one file folder in our iPhone. You can transfer from anywhere file MP3 in your file folder. I have already this one. I'm going to use this one. You can use any method. If you want to know, you can watch another video. I'll explain how to bring audio file in that one. Now we open a GarageBand app. We'll click on create song. We will using audio recorder. There's other instrument you can slide, but we're gonna click on audio recorder. We will click this on this piece. This one is blue right now. This one knocking sound, we don't need it right now. Now we will click here and this window will be look like this. Click here, we will open file, then we will open file from here, Apple loops and file. We're gonna click on Apple, browse from this phone, and we are going to use browse, and then we are going to use downloads. In a download folder I have already this file I'm going to use, and that's I have a transfer here. From here we are going to drop in our audio library where we will adjust. You can play, listen to your music the way you need. You can cut. We need a 4 to 5 second audio clip here. So now simply I made this clip 4 seconds, and you can play. If you satisfy, just click here, my song, and now here we can rename, easy to understand where my ringtone goes to find easy. You can name any, it doesn't matter. I have a minor spelling mistake, it will not make any effect. Now I'm gonna right click on here, click on share. I'm going to share as a ringtone, and you can also set up your ringtone from here, export. It will automatically send ringtone in your iPhone or ringtone library. You can also set as a ringtone or whatever music from here. I'm going to click on OK right now to show you a little bit more detail. Now we will go to iPhone settings. From here we're going to go on sound. Then we go here ringtone. I have a made before already. If you click here in a ringtone, you will be explore more, and that's the ringtone we have made already. You can choose as a call ringtone, text message, whatever the way you want to make. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you next video with the new topic.